I mean, people come to, expect it and deal with it. But if you get something out of the ordinary, like a half an inch of snow in Washington D.C., I mean, things just go into gridlock, and it's. But boy, I'll tell you, like I say, Mother Nature can throw a curveball in there, and pretty soon we're finding out that we're pretty puny when it comes to the scope and magnitude and the power of all of these elemental forces that are upon the earth. So yeah, it can be pretty devastating if it's not part of your daily routine. And again, Sam, you point out, some of us in the mountains were thinking they got a little snow. Come on, what's going on? And but the
But it's
twist,
one, not part of their daily routine, and number two, we don't really understand either that the snow and ice is different there. When you
yeah,
get a big coating of ice in the south, it's not the same thing as a little coating of ice in the Rocky Mountains. I'm telling you, it's not the same thing. Um, it's because the humidity, because of a variety of factors, and I'm certainly not a scientist. I'm just telling you, it's not the same at all. And even in Utah and Idaho, a few years ago, we had a big storm, and it started caving in roofs, even in Idaho. I remember,
oh
and
yeah,
so we need to realize this is serious business, people.
you build to a snow load, and it's kind of one of those things that you don't expect something. I mean, I know back in 1983 in Utah we had a very wet spring,